Shaggy, lifestyle, family, career, and net worth. Orville Richard Burrell, famously known as Shaggy, is a Jamaican-American reggae fusion artist and one of the most internationally recognized faces of dancehall music. Born on October 22, 1968, in Kingston, Jamaica, Shaggy's unique blend of reggae, dancehall, and pop has made him a household name across the globe. His deep voice, catchy hooks, and witty lyrics have defined his musical identity since the 1990s. Career. Shaggy's music career took off in the early 1990s after serving in the United States Marine Corps during the Gulf War. He gained recognition with the release of his debut album Pure Pleasure in 1993, which featured the hit single, Oh Carolina. However, his big international breakthrough came with the 2000 album Hot Shot, which included chart toppers like It Wasn't Me and Angel. The album went multi-platinum and turned Shaggy into a global superstar. Over the years, Shaggy has released over a dozen albums, including Lucky Day, Clothes Drop, and Wagwan. He has collaborated with a range of artists, from Sting to Sean Paul, and earned 2 Grammy Awards for Best Reggae Album. His 2018 collaboration album with Sting, 44 of 876, also won the Grammy and showcased his versatility and ability to reinvent himself musically. Family. Shaggy is known to be a private man when it comes to his family life. He is married to Rebecca Parker, a Jamaican-American art director and philanthropist. Together, they have 3 daughters, while Shaggy has 2 sons from previous relationships. Despite his fame, he values family deeply and maintains a balanced life between his music career and being a present father and husband. The family resides between Jamaica and the United States, often spending time at their luxurious home in Kingston. Shaggy is a dedicated father and frequently expresses how important his children are to him. His wife Rebecca has also been instrumental in his philanthropic efforts, especially with the Shaggy Make a Difference Foundation, which supports the Bustamante Hospital for Children in Jamaica. Lifestyle. Shaggy lives a comfortable yet grounded lifestyle. Although he enjoys the luxuries of his success, like driving high-end cars and living in beautiful homes, he remains deeply connected to his Jamaican roots. He often promotes Jamaican culture and uses his platform to uplift his country through charity and music. Shaggy is also heavily involved in humanitarian efforts. His benefit concerts and personal donations have raised millions for children's healthcare in Jamaica. He prefers a relatively low-profile life compared to many celebrities of his stature, focusing more on music, philanthropy, and family. Net worth. As of 2024, Shaggy's estimated net worth is around $14 million. His wealth comes from album sales, touring, brand endorsements, and his business ventures. Additionally, his long-lasting appeal and musical catalog continue to generate income through streaming platforms and licensing. From Kingston to global stages, Shaggy has built a legacy marked by talent, humility, and generosity. Proving he's more than just a hitmaker, he's a cultural icon.
Feature inside with the Island Music Conference. Make sure to tell them